Begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of
We have confusion in this place. 2 bowls were brought out. 1 was ordered. We're confused. Not complaining, just confused.
So I just finished watching the Santa Claus, like that movie. Such a good one. Right now I'm just coloring in my book. One of those like mandala coloring books. I was doing that while I was watching the movie. But I'm pretty much ending my night here. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I was kind of planning out earlier, like the rest of my week, like things I want to do with people, because I know tomorrow is going to be a fun day. I'm going to start with a workout. I need to shop for people still, because I was thinking about it, and I was like, oh, I have time to do that, like, because I was kind of stressing out, because I didn't know exactly, like, what I was going to get people, and, like, who all I needed to buy gifts for. And so I was kind of figuring that out, but I was like, I can do the actual shopping later. But then I realized that literally Christmas is, like, actually really soon. So I definitely need to start doing that. I've already done a little bit, but I need to work on, like, my family gifts and all that. So I should be doing that tomorrow. And I'm definitely going to hang out with people tomorrow. So this should all be very fun.